Hey guys, Frank here and welcome to another short tip in our digital classroom series. Today we're going to show you how I shot this image during one of our workshops. Now, this image is actually pretty simple, but it has a great outcome. Now, we're using a medium-sized softbox, not so much of a distance from our model. And I'm using two flags to flag off the light on the back. Now, of course, you can also use something like a grid, which really steers the light. But for this setup, we wanted to try it with two reflectors. Now, if you want a totally dark right side, you of course turn over the reflector and use the darker side. In this case, we use the silver side to give extra kick of light to our model. The black part, of course, is to flag off the light so there's no light hitting our backdrop. A very nice setup and gives you beautiful light control. Because if you move the flag forwards, or in other words, towards the light, the edge transfer will be softer. If you move the flag towards your model, the edge transfer will be a little bit harsher. So this is a great way to experiment with how you want your shadows. And of course, it also blocks the light on the back. In other words, you have more control than with a grid. Let's take a look at some of the images from this set.